Tonight, new confusion surrounding Puerto Rico's death toll, with the island's government acknowledging more than 1,400 people may have died following Hurricane Maria in a draft report to Congress, dramatically higher than the previous official count of just 64. The president touted the low death toll in October.
If you look at a real catastrophe like Katrina, and you look at the tremendous hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people that died, everybody watching can really be very proud of what's taken place in Puerto Rico.
The actual number now controversial. A Harvard study estimated it could be more than 4,600. The official government count unchanged, waiting on another study that's not yet done. This as people like David Maldonado are still struggling, almost 11 months after the storm.
Does this island feel forgotten?
Yes.
He lives on Vieques, off Puerto Rico's southeastern coast.
Who dropped the ball here?
The federal government and the local government.
Radames Cabral is forced to make a grueling 10-hour round trip 3 days a week for kidney treatment. The lone dialysis center in Vieques is still shut down due to mold.
I am a medical citizen.
But for you, this is life or death.
Yeah, because now coming another season of hurricane.
Another hurricane season on the horizon for an island fighting not to be forgotten. Gabe Gutierrez, NBC News, Vieques, Puerto Rico.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.